So the last post on this channel was in October of last year. After I was feeling like the quality and the soul of my videos were really not there, really lacking, I told myself to take a break. I hear a lot of people talking about breaks, and I thought a nice break would be perfect for me. I was experiencing burnout. I was having a hard time channeling into that authentic voice. I was really just like chasing trends and really lost what brought me to YouTube in the first place, because I was just trying to make the next video that people wanted to watch. And I knew personally that I didn't want to do that. I shared many conversations with friends that it felt like I was just trying to grind and make YouTube videos for this anonymous person who I didn't even know, so I could capture them and be a YouTuber for them. So in this process of these last couple of videos I made, I really felt like I lost myself, and with things going on, it seemed like a perfect time to take a little break. While I was taking my break from YouTube, unfortunately I experienced a personal traumatic event. Now, I kept this relatively private. I've had a hard time dealing with what happened and being open about it, and only in the last couple months have I even shared with my personal friends. For me, I really just could not put my face back on a public platform like YouTube. Before anything, I consider myself a YouTuber. I know this can be kind of silly, but it's true. Before I'm an Instagrammer, before I'm an influencer, before I'm a content creator, the thing I feel most comfortable being is a YouTuber. I think that's why I just could not face my YouTube channel after this tragedy. I really felt like I could not show anything less than Qqcknd, or else I would be tarnishing something that I felt very close to. Not posting on my YouTube channel for so long hurt so badly, but I felt like I was also protecting my YouTube channel by not coming to it as a broken person. In this time, I've found an amazing community on Twitch, the live streaming platform, and together we have gone from Twitch to Twitch affiliate to Twitch partner. And that has been really exciting. And I couldn't sit before this camera today without your support on Twitch. So if you're from the Twitch fam, thank you so much. In this last year, I have dedicated myself to overcoming this tragedy, healing, and moving forward with what I want my YouTube channel to look like and what I'm okay with. So what's changed? In this time, in this last couple months, moving forward from my tragedy has been completely all-consuming. Some days it doesn't matter at all, and other days it takes weeks to come out of it. In order to help myself move forward, I have begun counseling. Now, counseling and therapy in my area is not an easy thing to come by. You might have your own experience that you can relate to where it was very difficult to get help. Between finding the right doctor and then finding the right program and then being put on a waiting list and then, referrals to another waiting list, this process took a couple months. Along with that, I was feeling so stressed and just unavailable. Unavailable creatively and unavailable mentally to even think about sharing my life with an audience. However, this didn't mean that I didn't think to turn on my camera. I've actually been filming videos all year. I think the most difficult thing is to take that video, put it on my computer, and then face the world. It's been something that I cannot do. And it's really hard because it feels like that's the last mile of making the YouTube video and coming back, but I've been just completely unable to do it. And this little bit is what I'm working on the most right now. Just figuring out what to do right here. So, what have I done to address these issues? First of all, I've taken on a ton of extracurricular activities. Things to get me out of my head, things to get me out of my house, things to give me peace of mind, things to just help me develop into a better person, the newest version of myself that can move past what happened. I have gone back to school to retake courses that I originally failed in college 10 years ago. I have taken on language classes. I got a part-time job as a kayak instructor. I have started self-defense classes, which I really like. It has been a really great opportunity to feel safer, to get exercise, and to build community. All of these things have been so helpful to help me move forward, but what do they have to do with YouTube? Well, while I am mentally patting myself to, build things from the ground up, on the side, I have also figured out what my weaknesses have been with social media. Moving forward, I have accepted management. I am now represented by Heartbreaker Labs, which has been super cool. I love the team. And while this isn't an all-encompassing management like you might picture with other YouTubers or celebrities, this is a group that is going to help me with sponsorships and little things like that I feel like mentally drain the battery that I am trying to so desperately preserve. So now that I can depend on this person, I can run ideas by them, I can share metrics with them, and they can help me when I get inquiries about sponsorships. I know I can send them so they can be handled. Now that that's out of my hands, I think that that is a little piece of something that I can keep for myself. Also, this allows me to be in contact with an editor. Now, this will be a new process for me as I edit all of my own videos, and leaving that to somebody else is super scary. But this will help me if I can even allocate just one video a month being edited. That way, when I am feeling overwhelmed or I'm having a hard time with just that last little mile of production, the more I understand myself and I understand, why I'm not coming back to YouTube. It's not the videos, I film them. It's not the creativity, I have it. It's just something in the way that I haven't figured out yet. With these arrangements, I hope to come back to YouTube, more mindful, with more wellness, with help, with an editor. And I believe with these skills and this help, it will make the daunting return to YouTube a lot more easier, especially now that things are a bit more difficult and things just seem so much more scary. This to me is all I ever wanted, and protecting my YouTube channel forever is just not what I want to do. As long as I don't touch it, it can't change, but that's not what I really want. So, what to expect from Qqcknd moving forward? Now, don't X out yet, because I want to explain to you what I'm doing with this channel as well. Moving forward, the traditional YouTuber second channel where I was putting Twitch clips and kind of like B videos, that channel is going to be reworked almost into the spirit of a vlog style channel. But this channel is going to have videos that more or less capture my daily life. Now, a little less vloggy, but a little more what I'm doing and what I'm dealing with moving forward in order to just have a better life. What to expect from this channel are DIYs, house renovation, organization, journaling, food, wellness, all of the little things that I have been experimenting with and cultivating in my life in order to get back to here. I have been really proud of everything that has led up to this point, and it's the thing I want to show you. When tattoos were the thing I was excited about and wanted to show you, I built this channel. Now I am so excited to show you what I've been doing in order to just be myself and be happy with what I do, which I think is so difficult. Not only do I feel weighed down mentally, but I think in the pandemic, I've also lost a huge sense of self, and purposefully regaining that has been just something that I want to share. So I do believe that those videos, while they've always existed on this Qqcknd channel, they have existed with a little bit of pushback. Putting them on a dedicated channel, I think, will put them all in one space so people can come and enjoy them, binge them if they want to, just take a little sampling of them, but they will all fit in their own kind of harmony, which makes more sense than peppering them in on this channel. They will be the videos that you will see weekly and that you can interact with and that you'll probably see sneak peeks of on my Instagram. The channel is called Qqcknd right now in its form. It has not been revitalized yet. And I'll get into this because the debut of that channel was supposed to be January 1st. Now, what about this channel, Qqcknd? I am not abandoning this channel. This channel will be dedicated to my long format, takes a couple weeks to film videos. One video you can look forward to on this channel will be the sequel to Can I Cure My Bad Luck? With algorithms and with shadow banning and with all of these things that I don't quite understand, I think it's safe to put these project videos on this channel as they won't fit into my Quiet Life channel. I still have the energy and the creativity and the desire to make these videos. They've always stuck out on my channel, but they've always been my little passion projects that I do not want to diminish for the sake of creating favorable content for the algorithm. If I put out that flame, I am so scared of getting burnt out again. So this will be the arena for those things, and I'm so excited to bring you Can I Cure My Bad Luck Part 2 and everything else that will come with these longer format discovery videos. If you want a full Qqcknd experience, I recommend following both channels, my main channel and my new vlog life channel, Qqcknd. What does this mean for my Twitch subs and my chatters and everybody who's been supporting me? I love Twitch.
My diploma is to go in the bathroom? No! Are you kidding me? Next to my Febreze?
Twitch has been the little niche that I needed, and it's something I feel like I fit into super well. I love public speaking, I love doing live shows. If you need an MC for your wedding, please consider me. I am not giving up Twitch. We worked so hard this last year to get partnership, and it's something that I know I can always come to. My Twitch will not change. I have a dedicated channel called Qqcknd Clips, where I will be putting Twitch highlights onto dedicated. So you will not see Twitch highlights anymore on my vlog channel, which is Qqcknd, shorthand calling it vlog channel, not necessarily a vlog channel. Qqcknd Clips, all of these will be linked in the bio, will be my dedicated Twitch area for Twitch highlights or Twitch news or Twitch clips or any gaming content. So while it might be completely possible that another burnout situation comes up, I will have this plethora of platforms in order to express myself. If I'm only feeling a little bit of energy, maybe I'll make a TikTok. And if I don't feel like showing my face, I have also created a Qqcknd blog. Now I have captured the domains that I want, so yay. I'm experimenting on this blogging platform, which was highly recommended, but I'm just not really loving it. So I haven't announced my blog yet, but the blog is coming. All of these things aren't fleshed out. Why? Well, that is because YouTube sent me a warning. Last Saturday, I got an email from YouTube official that said if I don't post a video in the next 30 days, I will lose my partnership status with YouTube. I've never wanted that, and although my big return to YouTube was supposed to be January 1st, it has to be now. This entire time, I've told you guys I want it to come back with a big boom, boom, here's this, look at that. But I have lost the luxury, unfortunately. So while everything is not completely out there yet, I did want to let you know that I'm coming back and I will return to posting just in the next week. So please look forward to the return of my Qqcknd channel. Please follow me over on Qqcknd, where you will see the weekly videos and the more personal life videos. Will I still be making tattoo content? Yeah, when it comes up naturally. I have been getting tattoo removal on my hip, for example, for the last year, and I will be making a full my tattoos completely removed video. Finally. I will be launching a Patreon. You don't have to feel obligated to follow me on Patreon, but it will be where I will be exploring my more indie endeavors. I've been writing short stories and poetry and, flirting with different ideas of having a podcast. All of these little creative bits that seem to have no place in this Qqcknd environment. All of these little things I think will find a home on my Patreon. It hasn't been launched yet as we're in talks with Patreon, but just to let you know, all of that will have a home too. This last year has not been idle for me. It hasn't just been me hanging out on the river. It has been hard work. And I want you to know that leaving YouTube was never in my cards. This is something I want to do, and this is something, no matter what, I keep coming back to. While I face my fears and get over the hump of being afraid to show myself online, I hope that you receive me with this information, with understanding. Taking a break was not something I ever wanted to do, but it enveloped me in a way that I couldn't get out of. Now it might seem like I am coming back to YouTube with a forced hand, but it's not true. I feel like this is the little nudge I needed to come back to you guys, and I am so grateful. Now, everything will be linked down below. I encourage you to follow my second channel, and if you want to see me back on your screen weekly, I stream on Twitch Monday and Friday.
Oh my god, we gotta do him! Okay, this uses clear beads though.
Every single week. You can follow me at Qqcknd with 2 Q's. Don't have social media. Follow my second channel and watch it develop. I love you guys so much, and I haven't ignored any of the behind the scenes support you've given me. I've thrived in it, and I needed it. So I thank you so much, and I look forward to the years ahead, growing up and experiencing our creativity together. Thank you so much.